Well, hey guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Hey, in my last video, I need to make a little correction because, you know what, I pointed it out in the video. What I got wrong is the bolts that are on the bead lock, I didn't exactly align them up with the CTIS. I got it, pretty close. It's within about maybe 30 degrees, 25 degrees. And I just identified the wrong bolt and the wrong spot. So today I want to fix that and make sure that you at least see it done the right way. Here goes. All right, so that everything makes sense to you, this is actually where the CTIS will end up going, okay? I actually lined it up in the last video here, and it was 180 degrees off, so the bead lock hardware was here, when it should be about over here, kind of lined up in the direction of where I have the camera. So not the short bolt next to the stem, but this short bolt is where you want 180 degrees off, is where you want the bead lock hardware to be. Okay? After it is all cleaned up, again, I'm going to add some Red and Tacky grease. Right, pretty good, pretty dang good. Well, guys, I just feel a lot better about this one. Everything is going pretty good. Once I got the batteries recharged. Note to self, when you're done with an event, go ahead and put your battery back on the charger, and then you don't wind up with trying to change your battery and then having both of them be dead. I'll be replacing these and sticking this back on, and I'm glad that I actually did this tire the right way to show what it's supposed to be like rather than that oops that I did in the last video. I hope you guys forgive me. This time I've got this facing just about right at this bolt here, maybe just a little bit out to the side. Hey, I just want to show you some of the stuff that I was driving around on before I got the tires off of Patricia. I mean, this is why I was so scared, because I mean, this is even one of the better tires. You can see it has just a little bit of tread left on it, and you're thinking, yeah, that's probably pretty close to bald. Nope, that ain't bald. This is bald. You can see there's bubbles. There's bubbles in the tread here. This was nasty to drive on. There's a big bubble right there and a tear spot. I am so thankful to have good tires on Malachi now. Well, I think I'm going to cut this one short because, well, it's starting to get a little bit unhealthy out here. The smoke has gotten about 3 times thicker, and I can only see about to the tree line there, and that's about it. So I think I'm going to call it good. Guys, I appreciate you viewing this, and I appreciate you coming on and giving those likes, putting those comments down. Thanks so very much for all of the time that you've spent on that. I hope that you've gained something out of this video. I know I had to fix a little error that I made in the last video, so hopefully that you saw that and you watched this one as well, so you kind of know what exactly to expect and what you're doing a little bit better than what I did on my first tire exchange. Until next time, guys, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless. On a more somber note, a fellow aviator who I've known for the last couple of years has passed away. I didn't know what his name was, but he doesn't have a feather missing from him. And just found him this morning on 9/11. So what was so special about this bird? Well, beyond the fact that he was one of God's creations, what was so special about him is that he could screech like a hawk. And I don't know how he learned this, because that's not really their kind of behavior. Usually they don't mock like that. But he would screech like a hawk, and all the other birds would fly away. Whoa, hawk, hawk. And they'd fly away. And then this one would come down right to the bird feeder and eat away in peace. There were no other birds around. He would even swoop down to where we feed the cats and clean up all the little cat bits. He'll be missed. He will be missed. The blue jay that could screech like a hawk. He was a pretty smart old bird.